Today I'm going to present you about our Sprint 2 review, which means Sprint 2 Retrospective. So first of all, I'll share my screen for the presentation. Yes, hope you guys can see our presentation here. So I'm moving to the top slides. Yes, Sprint Retrospective 2. We are team quality, and I'm Nirishka here. So basically, this is the main idea of the our project, which means the details of our project. So in here, I'll highlight the sprint two, which means we had 4 weeks, like 15th August to 15th of September. Uh, so in this sprint, I'm going to talk about what I did by my side. Actually, I did the PA role. So in the whole sprint, I had to mainly do the our testing part. So and as well as in here we identified some risk on the our project, so we had to go to a backup plan. So basically, as I mentioned you before, I had to do the testing parts, mainly the front end, which is the user interfaces. So basically, our front ends developed by our developer. So he already sent me what he done, and yes, I first I check everything, which means the every button and the every fields and the other stuffs. So while doing that testing part, I figure out some of the major issues with the system, and I created the test implementation document as well as, and yes, and the other things, I tested some. I use some different technologies for this one, as well as I had to go to the as I mentioned before, I had to go to the backup plan. So meanwhile, we develop some databases as well as the backend logics and the admin module and the reporting module as well as. So then in this sprint as well as we went to like the sad mad glad method. So in this sprint, what are the things I identified as sad is mainly the communication issues as and we had to execute a risk management plan, because I already said that we identified the risk, as well as we had no time to do the research and development stop procedures. So those are the main sad things that happened by our side. And what are the mad things I had to face, like intern team conflicts, like communication errors, and the team member, some team members need the extension, so we had to do some bloggers in this project. And other than that, we had all the glad situations in here, like our companies can delay with the risk management plan and also avoid the risk successfully and give an extension for the developers who needed it. And also yes, and if I talk about the designing side, so I had to create the Figma designs according to the diagrams, and I presented them to our client, and client so happy about them. And yes, he has the positive idea with them, and as well as the other glad thing is I created my all the Figma designs before my timeline. Then I shared it with my team and collected their idea about it. Then they then they give me reviews, and they talk these parts need to be changed, these colors need to be changed, and likewise I changed them and reposted them, and they're so happy about it. And yes, the other thing, we are happy to achieve the milestone about the date we created. So likewise, overall this sprint is very good for me, and I think I work hard for the achieve the goals and the other stuffs. um Yes, that's the end of my presentation, or the sprint to review. Hope you guys can get an idea from my this presentation, and thank you for it.